So the idea was to create this house in a modest 2250 square feet area, which is a west facing plot overlooking two huge beautiful trees in the front. Architecture cannot be explained, it has to be experienced. And being a firm believer in pushing those details, that's what drives massive constructions projects also. So this house was designed for a family of 6 people, the grandfather, the parents and 3 kids. So the requirement of the client was they wanted 2 car parks, 4 bedrooms, a multi-purpose rooms and several courtyards and henceforth. This is Syed Hanar, Operations Manager, Massive Constructions. Today, let me take you to a tour of a very beautifully designed, executed and plotted villa. Coming to the planning aspect of the villa, we have this 36 feet by 60 feet plot which is facing the west. This is the north, the east and the south. The heart of any construction, the heart of any architecture is natural lighting and ventilation. So the first thing to ever be plotted about this villa on paper was a green yard. This green yard was slow plotted in such a way that all the openings of all the units open up into this area. This green yard hosts a very beautiful garden, a creepered wall and a water body. Then we even had the back setback area and the side setback area and even the front setback area. So coming to the ground floor, the whole area was divided into 3 coordinates, which was again divided into 6 coordinates. So what we have here, this is the parking area, so where we had the entrance here, and once you enter we had a foyer wall here, and in the entrance we had a very huge main door which is around 6 feet wide and 8 feet tall. And what we did was we created a similar niche in the opposite wall, and what it does is it creates a sense of privacy and it even restricts the house to unfold itself as soon as you open the main door. This is the living area. And on to your right we have the staircase area. This is again divided into 2 parts. This is the dining part, which is again overlooking into the green yard, what we had discussed here. And then this is the kitchen part, which hosts a storeroom and a utility. And from the dining you have entrance into a ground floor room, which is the grandparents' room. This is the bathroom, and this is a general bathroom for the outside people. So then you open up into the first floor, and in the first floor again it is divided into 4 coordinates, which opens up into 4 more coordinates. This is the staircase what you just got up, and this is the living area. The living area is a double heighted roof which hosts a glass slope roof. So this is aiding a lot of ventilation into the morning sky, and we even have another skylight into this part also, into the staircase area. So from the living hall we have entrance to 3 bedrooms on either sides. So once you enter from this living room, we have the master bedroom here, which is again divided into 2 balconies on either sides, which are facing the 2 huge trees in the front. From the master bedroom we have a study, which is again opening up into the green yard area, and this is the dresser area of the master bedroom. And the second bedroom, which is the kids bedroom, is opening to the north end, and this is another kids bedroom which has the dresser and the bathroom together. So again, when you climb the stairs from the first floor to the second floor, we have this cutouts made, which is divided into 5 coordinates, and this is your staircase, which hosts a bridge which is overlooking the living hall in the first floor and even the green yard in the ground floor. And from this bridge we have 2 openings opening up on either side of the bridge. One is opening up into a multi-purpose room. The client's family had spent a lot of time in the Middle Eastern countries and they wanted to adopt that tradition. So what we did was we converted this multi-purpose room into a majlis, Arabic majlis. In the plan, in the layout of the area, we had a park coming behind the building. So what we did was we had been for a glass facading on either side of the multi-purpose room, so as to look into the garden, which even hosts a very wide range of view from the room. So we have glass facade even on the other side, which is opening up into the terrace garden. So the terrace garden hosts very 2 beautiful stone benches where I am sitting right now. And then we have a spiral staircase here, which is going up, reaching this area, which hosts some overhead tanks and the solar assembly. And once you come to the other side of the passageway, you open up into an open terrace, which hosts a set of pergolas going all around. We can have a provision of an iron dining table here, and we have a barbecue counter here at this end. The design, the build quality, the detailing and the finish came out pretty neat, and the clients were pretty impressed. The aerial shots of this entire villa exposed a lot of greener parts of the house, hence the name The Nest. Constructing a house is an art, and we at Massive Constructions firmly believe that instead of going out for enjoyment, you can make your house enjoyable by constructing different levels of different themes and giving it a slight new face. Please do contact us for any type of construction, contracting, consultation and interior design. We also understand that it's a lifelong dream for many people to build a house. So we at Massive Constructions take up your dream as our mission to make your vision into reality. Thank you.